What did you do to your friend Chioma? I know you are very wicked.
I didn't do anything to her. It's been a while since we met. I'm going to the hospital to see her.
Chioma, you know I love you so much. And soon we are getting married. Get well soon.
Thanks, my man Emeka. I love you more.
Now don't come here, you shameless Amanda. You almost killed my Chioma.
I didn't poison her. I really love my friend Chioma.
Please, let's go home. I want to marry you this weekend.
Yes. Let's go.
Emeka, my love, I really thank you so much.
Now I'm very beautiful. I don't look like a village girl. Anything for you, my shoe.
Chioma is back. Chioma is back.
Chioma is back. Chioma is back. I'm not going there. They will kill me. No.
Part 3 coming soon.